Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 4th, 2025, and we're diving into InfuSystem's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. InfuSystem, a leading national healthcare service provider, has just released their financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. InfuSystem reported net revenues of $33.8 million for the fourth quarter, a 7% increase from the previous year. For the full year, they achieved $134.9 million, also a 7% increase. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
These are impressive numbers, especially considering the challenges in the healthcare sector. The growth in both patient services and device solutions segments contributed to this performance. The gross profit for Q4 was $18.2 million, a 9% increase, and operating income saw a remarkable 109% increase to $2.6 million, indicating strong operational efficiency.
EPS and analyst forecast. Now let's discuss the earnings per share. InfuSystem reported an adjusted EPS of 4 cents for the fourth quarter, which was below the forecast of 8 cents by one analyst. How should investors interpret this?
While the EPS came in below expectations, it's important to note the context. The company achieved a net income of $0.9 million for the quarter, a significant improvement from the previous year. The focus on operational efficiencies and strategic growth initiatives is likely to yield positive results in the long term.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. InfuSystem's operational efficiencies are evident in their adjusted EBIT, which increased by 22% to $7.5 million in Q4. Their operating cash flow for the full year was $20.5 million, an 82% increase. What does this mean for their future outlook?
The company is on a solid path with these operational improvements. For 2025, they're forecasting revenue growth between 8 to 10% and expect their adjusted EBITDA margin to be in the high teens. This demonstrates their confidence in leveraging their business model for continued growth.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. InfuSystem has been active in strategic initiatives, including a new distribution agreement with Smith Nephew and an exclusive U.S. distribution for chemo mouthpiece. How do these moves position them in the market?
These strategic partnerships are crucial for expanding their market presence, particularly in wound care and biomedical services. The growth in their device solutions segment, with a 13.5% increase in equipment rentals, highlights their ability to capitalize on these opportunities. Additionally, their stock repurchase program reflects confidence in their financial health.
Key takeaways. In summary, InfuSystem has delivered a strong performance for Q4 and the full year 2024, with record net revenues and operating cash flow. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies set a positive tone for 2025. John, any final thoughts?
InfuSystem is well-positioned for future growth, despite the slight miss on EPS expectations. Their focus on strategic partnerships and market expansion is promising. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in 2025.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on InfuSystem's performance in the comments below. Until next time.